Hey guys, here is the Apple iPad 2019 7th generation 10.2-inch. So the most amazing budget iPad for around $315 for a Wi-Fi version and $415 for a Wi-Fi plus cellular and the GPS versions. So here is the iPad. This one is with 32 gigabytes with Wi-Fi. Model is A2197. So it's only support the Wi-Fi without GPS and cellular connectivity. So let's unbox it. Okay. Here we go. Lighting cable. User manuals and stickers, I guess. Yeah. $20 charger. Okay. Here we go, space gray version. So this is the upgraded version of 6th generation iPad, but it's using the same 8 megapixel camera with the full HD recording. Here is the microphone, Apple logo, matte finish, volume buttons, power button, main microphone, so connector for a keyboard, home button, physically home button, front facing camera, all the following holding. Say this is the 10.2-inch. Previously on 6th generation is a 9.7. So scratch resistant glass. comes with the iPad OS. Okay, first setup. Okay, setup is on the way. Touch ID. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here is the full setup. So 10.2-inch with the A10 Fusion CPU, 3 GB RAM. This one is with 2 GB of internal storage. Comes with a iPad Turin, upgradable to iPad OS 4 equipped with a around 9,000 mAh battery. This model doesn't have a GPS and cellular connectivity, as I said. It's available on models A2200 or A2198. So also supports the stylus. You need to blade separate, fast working with a 3U frame, as you can see. Stereo speakers on the bottom side. Stereo speakers. Bluetooth 4.2. As you can see, it's amazing. Front-facing camera is 1.2 megapixel with a 720p video capture. And this is from a quick review of iPad 2019 7th generation. Subscribe for more videos and see you next time.